really.
Be in the strike zone.
How's that tape working out for you?
Well, the saw's not working out, that's for sure.
Don't forget your glasses. Grab a pair for me while you're at it. Safety, you know.
Let's see.
It's still clear. I can see through it.
Oh, good.
So, I was worried about it.
Yeah.
Slugging up.
Great. Try to deburr it.
Yeah. Emphasis on try.
Pretty square.
Tip to be square.
Everything matched up. Perfect. Check if there's any flammable open. There's some oil over there.
Yeah, you're fine.
This is right.
It's gonna get warm real quick, isn't it?
Start a little bit here. I'm on the wrong side of this thing. Like, trying to see.
Flip the.
Well, for you, don't you?
Ah, the old trailer hitch. Fixer-uppers.
Yeah. Hang on to it. Give you some distance away from it at least.
Trying to keep it level on
Which side was I cut on this side?
the. Oh, well, quit moving it. I'm trying to hold it.
Hold it right there.
Okay.
Nothing's happening.
Plug the right tool in.
Hope the power doesn't go out again. Ow! Too hot. Looks like we got through it. Just break it.
Yeah.
That's probably what's gonna do. Yeah, we got enough.
Okie dokie.
Enough metal to.
Now let's go set the hangulations.
Yeah. Looks like it'll go in. I gotta figure out how to make it go in though. This is gonna be
Got that coupling. We gotta cut more off.
no, it goes in that far.
Oh, okay.
The length is right. I just gotta we gotta get the whole exhaust back.
So we'll have to. Well, I think it's just
It just
held in by the
slides.
hangers.
Yeah, it just slides. The problem is it's all gonna fall apart if I try and do this myself, probably. Oh, might be able to.
Well, just don't break anything because I'm holding the camera.
Yeah, I guess I can set the angle up a little bit here. Just don't fall out of the hanger completely. What am I stuck on? Oh, I see you're all getting carried.
Again, I'd help, but I'm holding the camera, so.
Cameramen can't do shit. Uh-oh. I pulled the muffler out of the tailpipe.
Okay, I'll go help. I'm shutting the camera off. Still with, or for those of you still with the video, we made ourselves a wedge-shaped round that is a gap on the bottom that we are going to use to patch. We're not going to fill, we're going to patch pie shape that we cut. Not that we actually didn't cut the pie shape, we just cut a slot and then bent the pipe. So...
Oh, why you gotta show them that?
I know, yeah, so...
Did I make it big enough?
Barely. Barely.
Hopefully it's all the way around.
So if you want to spread that open a little bit, we can just do a test fit and make sure that it's going to work.
It's got lots of sharp metal on it.
Well, then why'd you leave it that way? So I'm wondering if that bottom edge is going to be too narrow.
We'll find out. Just stretch this whole thing open. Nice and evenly. Like a glove.
Oh, you look at that. Look, it's got wings. Of course, the...
Yeah, I didn't think about it because it's actually going to be moving it away too.
Yeah.
So it might work. If we're lucky.
Yeah, just tack her in the middle. We'll work her down the sides. And
Like to get her bent in a little closer.
yeah. You want to deburr first?
Yeah, we're gonna weld it.
Okay. We'll weld the burrs, or we might need that extra metal.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll come back when we got some welding action going. Now the fun stuff begins. We got her hand deburred. Oh yeah.
Good.
I'm not going to show the inside. So that's the angle we needed.
Angle with the dangle.
I'm going to step back because there's going to be more sparks a-flying. But luckily, I have a neat little feature on this camera called a zoom. See how close we can get. Have it halfway. Oh, look at that.
Ready?
Oh, that's almost too close.
Oh, this will be ground this way.
Yeah, ground would be good.
Ready?
Ready? It's a little warm?
A little bit. Oh, that's nice.
Oh yeah, cover your eyes. There we go. What did it look like?
Oh, she looked beautiful.
Oh, look at that. Oh, the scorch marks. That's like blaster line marks from Star Wars.
Good old flux core.
That's right.
Does that look better?
Oh, beautiful. From here, it looks like I can't even tell. Alrighty, I'm low on battery, so I'm going to shut you off. We'll bring you back when we're all done weldered up. Okay, my professional welder is done with the pipe, but he's so he's not impressed with his work, so we're just going to stand back here and film it. So I'll zoom in just a little bit.
Good labor ain't cheap.
That's right.
Cheap labor ain't good.
That's right.
You didn't pay me.
But I did provide the welder.
Yeah. And it's really cheap.
That's right. Hey, if I wouldn't have told you to apply at Boeing, you wouldn't be here right now to do this.
Yeah.
In the house and shop that Boeing paid for you. So
Doing stuff for you.
yeah. So you owe me. So yeah, we got ourselves a kinked pipe to put underneath the truck, so hopefully it'll flow halfway decent. And
I need to buy the sanding discs.
the flapper discs.
Huh?
The flapper discs.
Yeah, I need to start buying those things.
I've got a couple at the house. I don't think I've ever even used them.
Need to buy another angle grinder.
Another extra, yeah, well, that's always nice too. So, alrighty. Noise coming. Close out. Got quite a few things done on the Jimmy, including exhaust, for the most part. Gotta get a couple more clamps yet. But Y pipe, the filter piece is up above there. Straight. Nope, there's the bend that we just made. Get some more of these clamps. Goes into my Flowmaster muffler and exhaust kit all the way to the back. It's hanging a little bit low, or a little bit angled upwards, but sitting pretty good. So, making progress. Hopefully, Twinkle Toes over there isn't going to be working next weekend, and be able to come out and do some more work to it.
Yay.
What do we need to do next? Besides button up the exhaust.
I don't know, some random stuff under the hood. PVC.
Yeah, some vacuum lines you were saying.
Yeah.
QVC, RVRs. Yeah.
Whatever.
And then, yeah, I have to steal my battery back. Apparently somebody's using it in his other Chevy truck.
Oh, yeah.
So you have to go buy his own battery. Why is it awfully dark?
Thinking about forgetting to do that. Stop off a nap on the way home.
Alright. So, yeah, refilled the transfer case. Got the overflow bottle in, got radio antenna, got fuel lines tightened up, fuel filter replaced, starter wired in.
Really close.
It is.
Not a whole lot more than I think though.
So I guess just the little, like I said, some of the vacuum lines and whatnot under there. We might, maybe next weekend, possibly. We'll see. Until somebody gets designated. We got to prime the oil pump. I've got some Lucas that I bought and a little syringe so we can preload the cylinders a little bit before we start turning the thing over, like Kevin was saying. Yeah, but 2 jugs of the, or not Lucas, Marvel mystery oil. And a syringe deal on a hose so we can pump some into the cylinders. What he was mentioning is we'll pull the spark plugs, we'll put some Marvel in there after we prime the oil pump. Then we'll turn it over with the key a few times. Make sure everything's turning like it's supposed to and sounding halfway decent. And then, and we'll put the plugs back in and prime the fuel pump a few times. Because it's got probably close to half a tank of gas in it now. Probably bring out another 5 gallons of fresh or something. It's, don't remember how much I dumped in there, but it's a, what is this thing, 32 gallon tank on this truck? I think it's a 36, 34, I think it's 34 gallons. But I've put at least 10, 12 gallons into this thing. Just fill up a can, bring it out, dump it in. So usually bring the 5 gallon can out. So yeah, maybe next weekend. Keep your fingers crossed. We'll let you know. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for following along. Thanks for watching my videos to kind of help offset the cost on this thing. I'm not going to tell you how much. We'll do that after. I was going to do that after it was on the road back at the house. I'm keeping the receipts. Most of them. So thanks for tagging along. I'm going to drive home and go get me something to eat. And yeah, like I said, maybe next weekend. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.